Alright, y'all. Welcome back. But also have some bad news today. Well, happened last week, but yeah, bad news nonetheless. Which is why it's been like pretty much a week since I uploaded a video because some crazy stuff went down. But that's what we're here to talk about today. As you can tell, I'm on the Z400. There's a reasoning behind that. So pretty much, it's, you know, it's hard for me to talk about. It's embarrassing and, you know, it's upsetting. But pretty much last week I went down on the lowrider S. You know, it wasn't a bad crash, but I was going 35 and then took a turn too wide, and then next thing you know, I'm in the grass. You know, I try to apply progressive brake pressure, but the front tire caught a ditch, and then it pretty much just sent me into a high side into the grass. You know, I'm thankful it wasn't bad, and then I wasn't hurt or anything, but you know, the bike did get a broken throttle, some scratches and stuff, so it is at the shop right now. That was pretty much a week ago. Today's Saturday and it happened last Friday. Yeah, I know it's been a week since it happened, but you know, I've been dreading, you know, making this video. So yeah, so if you're wondering where I've been, where the lowrider is, that's where it's at. You know, it's at the shop. It's at Groves, Winchester. Unfortunately, you know, I mean, yeah, I mean, things happen, shit happens, but yeah, you know, it's just upsetting. I really miss my bike. I don't know how long it's gonna take. They gotta order like a new tank and stuff. I guess that one got scratched up or something they can't fix, but hopefully, we think insurance is gonna take care of everything, so that's good, but no idea yet. I'm just hoping it gets fixed like sooner than later, because of course when it happens, the weather turns super nice all of a sudden. Like, it's been low 80s every day for like the past week compared to 90s and up, like, bro. So, you know, that does get me a little upset. You know, the one time I do crash my bike, it turns into like the most beautiful weather ever. You know, I'm not complaining too much because I still have this bike to ride and stuff, but after riding the lowrider S and then hopping on this thing, you kind of get spoiled by the lowrider S a little bit. So, I mean, this bike is fun and all to ride, but it just doesn't hit the same as the lowrider S. Can't ride it as long as because my back starts hurting, and yeah. But, you know, I'm still glad I at least have something to ride while that's gone. Could be worse. I could have nothing to ride, and, you know, what can you do? But, yeah, for those of you wondering what happened, you know, where I've been, there's your answer. The lowrider S is in the shop. Do that so they can see me. Yeah, hopefully, I'm praying it's not going to take too long. Hopefully. You know, I really want the lowrider S back. I want to ride that thing. But yeah, just wanted to give you guys a quick little update on where I've been. I don't know if I'm gonna make videos while I don't have the lowrider S. It depends if you guys want me to. I just don't really know what to do on this little bike, video wise. But yeah, I don't know if you guys want to see Z400 content or what, but because I don't know how long the lowrider S is going to be out of commission for. But yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to talk about today. Just to give you guys a quick little update on what's been going on. Hopefully this next week, Groves is supposed to call us, and then hopefully I have an estimate of when it's going to be done by. But like I said, they just started, like, they've had it for a week, and they just now started taking some things off, and then they're going to let us know what they need to order and stuff, and then if they need to order extra stuff after that. But like I said, so yeah, hopefully it doesn't take too long, but we'll find out. yeah, at least I can ride this thing around. Like I said, it's not the same as the Loretta S, but you know, it'll do. It was good enough for a whole year, so it's good enough for me for a couple months. Fuck it. But you know, I hope you guys are staying safe out there, you know, being smart when you ride. All it takes is like a second of being distracted to you know, and mess up your day real bad. So yeah, just be careful, guys. And then I think that's all I got for you today. Just gonna keep riding on the Z400 for a bit, and then that's it, pretty much it. Maybe I'll do like a Z400 full review now or something, I don't know. But thanks for tuning in.